Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on replacing the hinge on your Lenovo laptop. Today, we'll walk you through each step to ensure a smooth repair process. Let's start with the tools you'll need. Make sure you have a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a plastic spudger for prying. If you don't have these tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. First, power down your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if your model allows it. This is critical for your safety during the repair process. Next, locate the screws on the bottom panel of the laptop. Carefully remove them using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the bottom cover. Be cautious and work your way around the edges to prevent any damage. With the bottom panel off, you can now access the internal components. Take a moment to clean out any dust or debris you find inside. This ensures the laptop runs efficiently post-repair. Now, locate the hinge area. You'll find additional screws securing the hinges to the laptop frame. Remove these screws carefully and set them aside. At this point, it's essential to handle the laptop gently. If you notice any resistance while removing the old hinge, double-check for any missed screws. Once the old hinge is free, prepare to install the new one. Align it properly and secure it in place using the screws you previously removed. If you prefer, we can provide a professional diagnosis without obligation to help you assess any other issues your laptop might have. After the new hinge is securely installed, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Place the bottom panel back on and ensure it fits snugly. Reinsert all the screws you removed earlier, tightening them firmly but without overdoing it to avoid damaging the casing. Before you power on your laptop, remember to reinstall the battery if you removed it. Now, flip the laptop right side up and connect it to a power source. Turn it on and test the new hinge's functionality. Make sure it opens and closes smoothly without any issues. If you encounter any problems during the process or prefer to leave it to the experts, don't hesitate to contact us. We offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Plus, with our service, there are no calls and no travel involved. We're here to help you every step of the way. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.